Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. So today I'm going to show you the part 2 of me making this lovely wig, being modeled by my wonderful friend. So if you want to see how I made this wig, kindly stay tuned. Thank you very much. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I actually made the wig. In part 1 of the series, I showed you how I colored these bundles from blonde to black. So in this video, I'm showing you how I'm actually making the wig. Now I'm going to be sewing from ear to ear all the way till I get to the middle section where I'm actually going to put in the longer tracks of hair, because she gave me two kinds. She gave me the shorter ones and the longer ones because she didn't have enough of the shorter ones. So we did the shorter ones at the back, and then I did the longer piece in the front. So yeah, I'm going to start sewing from ear to ear and making sure I don't sew on the actual elastic band that is inside the spandex, but I'm sewing just on the spandex cloth. So yeah, and in this video I'm not going to be cutting the tracks. I'm just going to do the fold over method. There are so many videos out there showing you how to do the fold over method, but I'm going to slightly show you how I do it. So from here you see that I'm just going ahead to sew the track all the way around the head. So this mannequin head was kind of hard to work with. Firstly, because the hole underneath was way bigger than my stand. So I had to use one of my hands to hold onto the mannequin head while I used the other hand to sew. So it was quite difficult. If it was standing straight like I wanted it to, then this process would have been a breeze. So this section is where I'm actually showing you how I did the fold over method. So I'm going to put the needle directly into the track and then sew that part on the dome cap. And I'm tying the thread on that section twice to make it very secured. And then I'm going to flip it over and do the exact same thing. So here is the wig more than halfway done. So I'm done sewing all the shorter pieces, and I'm going to move ahead and start sewing the longer pieces. Now the other thing was that I was really pressed with time for this particular unit, so I had to pause, go back to school, and complete this part of the wig at my friend's house. So yeah, so in the next clip you're going to see me in a different setting with a different dress and everything. But yeah, I'm just going to continue with sewing the longer tracks. Now this time around, I'm going all around the head. I'm not just focusing going left to right, but this time around I'm going all in a circular motion till I'm completely done with sewing the tracks on the cap. One thing I want to add is that when you're doing wigs or sewing or anything, it's best to get the thread and needles ready. This way it goes way faster when you're doing anything at all, because it slows you really down when you have to stop and then keep making threading the needles. If you have several needles, just thread all of them, and then that will make the sewing process very quick.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number,
At this point, I'm just going to show you how I completely close the hair. So I'm just left with just a little circle. So I'll keep going around the circle until I reach the final point, and I will make sure I sew it down so that you're not able to see the close of the track. And then I'm going to cut off any pieces that is left over. So that's what I'm doing here. Just keep going around the hole until you have completely covered it. And I'm making sure I have enough hair at this point, because if you don't do it right, it's going to lift and you can actually see the tracks. So you want to make sure that you have left just a tiny bit of space. Don't leave huge spaces at this point. You want the tracks to be as close as possible. So just keep going round and round the circle until you are completely done. So at this point, I'm completely done. So I'm just cutting off the excess hair, and I'm going to close it down by stitching that part that is left to the hair, and I'm going to make sure I really tie it down and secure it so that it doesn't come apart. So once I feel like the hair is secured, I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess thread from it and then tie a knot. So this is the final stage, which will be in part 3 of this video because it's too long. But I hope you still stick with me until I'm done with this wig. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, rate, subscribe, share this video to all your friends, and please stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you the next week. Bye. God bless you.